On June 20th, Germany faced their Group E opponent, Côte d'Ivoire, in Toronto, Canada during FIFA World Cup 2026. The German supporters arranged for a 5-kilometer march to the match that all fans were invited to. This is what that once-in-a-lifetime experience was like. Auf geht's, Deutschland!
Nicht aus Italien, wir haben den Abstand, die größten gehen Italien. Ole, 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 ole,
So to put things into perspective, this is one of the busiest streets here in Toronto, so to have a march to the match like this rarely, if at all, happens. So this is pretty epic to see the Germans taking over Toronto. Love every moment of it.
die größte gegen Italien. Ole, 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 ole.
Sunscreen, huh? Sunscreen. Deutschland! 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 We got Mexico!
In the house!
Mexico in the house! This game's gonna get a little spicy! Stretch. We got about maybe a kilometer left until we get to the stadium. Again, this is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity because these streets normally don't get blocked off from anything here in Toronto. So.
celebrating with all these other German fans, your culture and your team.
Oh my God,
It's amazing. And you know what's amazing is that it's not just German fans here. What brings you up today?
Football. That's, yeah, it's an amazing game, and sports, so I'm here to support both teams.
What does it mean? You know, I mean, you've got the Mexico jersey, you said you're supporting both teams. How is the atmosphere and the vibe in the city right now?
It's beautiful. They're so welcoming, and also the German fans are so much fun. I mean, I was able to take a picture with the Ivory Coast fans, and we're also very happy. So it's just a beautiful atmosphere. I was in Mexico City for the opening game, so I'm just enjoying it. Enjoying that.
Enjoy yourself.
What's your prediction? Germany, yay or nay? Yay or nay? Oh, okay, that's a nay. So that concludes my part of this march to the match with the German supporters. Unfortunately, I don't have a match ticket to this highly coveted Germany-Ivory Coast match, but appreciate the German supporters for allowing us to participate in today's epic march to the match. Like I said, we don't normally shut down these busy streets in Toronto for just anything. So fair play to whoever on the German supporters group managed to make this happen. I hope you enjoyed it. It will never happen again in Toronto, mark my words. Aside from that, my prediction for the match today is 3-0 Germany. They will qualify, or they will clinch top of the group today and make it easily to the round of 32. Good luck, boys.